Look at this rainbow here. My setup's all different. I'm all discombobulated, but I'm here showing up. So let me say this real freaking clear. There's no rule book when it comes to cooking. That's the first lie that they sold you, that you need a recipe, measurements, and permission. That's for baking. That's a science. Cooking is an art. So with that being said, cooking isn't a freaking formula. It's a conversation between you and your meat suit and what's in front of you. So today we're not following a recipe, we're building a frequency, because the fastest way to raise your vibration is to stop feeding your meat suit dead, processed, packaged nonsense and start giving it real living ingredients, fresh, clean, organic if you can get it. And here's the part people sleep on. It's not just what you cook, it's how you cook it, how you prepare it. Because your hands, they carry energy. You've got chakra points right here. So when you're chopping, mixing, seasoning, you're not just making food, you're charging it. That's why food made with love hits different. You can literally taste the difference. So now look at what we're working with. Black beans. They ground you. It's root chakra, stabilizing your whole system. Pineapple and orange bell pepper, that's solar plexus fire, confidence, life force. Tomato is a heart opener. Avocado is also heart space, but smoother, more nurturing. Cucumber, cooling, resetting your nervous system. Carrots are clarity, vision, eye health from the inside out. Red onion moves stagnant energy, clears emotional buildup. Garlic, yeah, the parasitic bouncer, my favorite. It kicks out what doesn't belong. Jalapeno, a little heat, a little activation. It gets things moving. Corn is natural energy, solar-powered fuel. Lime, purification. It brightens everything inside and out, and then we seal it up. Today I'm using avocado oil, healthy fats, smooth carrier. Sea salt, minerals. This is what your body actually recognizes. Fresh cracked pepper for circulation, cumin for digestion. It keeps everything flowing and moving. Smoked paprika, that's depth, soul, and a little fire under it. Do you see what I'm doing here? I didn't follow a recipe. I followed what felt right, what ingredients I had. That's the difference. Cooking isn't supposed to stress you the fuck out. It's supposed to bring you back into your body. Stop overthinking it. Open your fridge, grab what speaks to you, and build something. Create magic. Because when you start cooking like this, you're not just feeding yourself, you're healing yourself from the inside out. Food isn't just food, it's a frequency. And when you know what you put on your plate, it's what you become. So this is all healing food. So once you change up your diet and start clearing out the gunk and the fog, you're going to tap into yourself. You're going to tap into your intuition, and you're going to be navigated through this realm a little bit simpler, a little bit easier, because this whole system is programmed to keep you disconnected. Bottom line. And I'm here to teach you how to reconnect with yourself and come back online and connect with source and your intuition and ascend the fuck out of this hell. So if you made it this far, you know the drill. Touch all the buttons, show me some love, leave me a comment. I love hearing from you guys. And on that note, let's see what I come up with next.